We're gonna add our flour, and this is plain flour with a pinch of salt, our sugar. Give it all a really good mix. And we're going to add our cold cube butter in here, and it needs to be cold. We're just gonna mix it all together, and you want to get that sandy consistency. Now we're gonna add very cold water, and we're gonna add a little bit at a time. If you just keep moving it up and down, it will start to form a nice dough. So once you have your dough, we're just gonna cut 1/3 off, and we're gonna leave this for decoration. That's where you're gonna create some magic. We're gonna wrap this in cling film and place in the freezer. Very easy. Peel some apples, cut them in quarters.
Juice from 1/4 of a lemon. Pour all the sugar in, yeah. And a teaspoon of cinnamon. Butter. And about 1.5 tablespoons of flour. Yeah, the smell that's coming off there is delicious.
Put the tart on a plate. We're just gonna roll out a nice piece of dough.
And big enough so it goes up the edges as well, yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
Perfect.
You take a rolling pin and you just go around, and that gets rid of any excess pastry.
That's amazing. Great.
Cut into different slices and figures, yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Pastry is nice and cold, just from the freezer. And we're gonna fill it up with our apples. So last thing really is to get some egg wash.
Okay.
Place your apple pie into preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 40 to 60 minutes.
I'm gonna let you do that.
Okay.
That smells delicious.
And this is such a great pie for Easter, you know. You can just serve it up to your whole family with a big scoop of vanilla ice cream. So here it is.